Hello, happy and smart developers. Welcome to the coding board. This is session 13 of C programming language. Today we are going to learn constant. But before that, I want to make clear that in previous session we had made use of backslash star message backslash. This is syntax of writing comment in C programming language. This comment will not be part of execution. While execution, comments will simply ignored. Comments are for developers understanding purpose. Now let's move on. What is constant? The literal which stands for itself, or the value which stands for itself and does not change throughout the program execution is called constant. Let's see hierarchy of constant in C programming language. First, constant is majorly divided into numerical constant and character constant. Again, numerical constant is divided into integer number and floating point number. Character constant is divided into single character constant and group of characters, nothing but string constant. Let's work with integer constant. Suppose int a is equals to 10. This is simple integer variable. To make it constant, I will have to make use of const keyword. Now this is integer constant. In future, if I try to change its value, like a is equals to 20 semicolon, then let's see what will happen. Let's save the code. Function F2 to save it, function alt F9 to compile it. Here is the error: cannot modify a constant object. So it is saying that already a integer is constant and you are trying to change its value, so it is not allowed. Now let's work with floating point value. Suppose I am having float pi 3.14. This is floating point value assigned to float variable pi, which is constant. Now I am trying to change its value. Pi equals to 20.50 semicolon. Now let's save the code. Function F2 and let's compile the code. Function alt F9. Here we are getting one warning, one error message. Error message is cannot modify constant object, and warning is pi is assigned value that is never used. Warning is okay, fine, no problem. It is telling that you have not used this variable, but our focus is on error. What is that error? At line number 6, you are trying to modify value of variable pi, which is constant, which is not allowed. So it is proved that we cannot change value of floating point constant variable. Now let's work with character. Let's say I am having one variable of character data type a and its value is m. Now what I am doing, I am trying to change its value here with another value v. So what will happen here? Let's save the code and let's compile the code. Again here we are getting same error message, cannot modify constant object, means we are trying to change value of variable which is constant, that is not allowed here. Now let's work with collection of character. So collection of character means group of character, nothing but multiple characters, nothing but string. So for that we will have to take array of character. Suppose I am taking name array and I'm saving value TCB, the coding board. Okay, here let's print value of name array. One important thing I want to tell you, at the time of declaration of name array we have assigned value, hence we can write size of array or we can simply ignore it. That means if we assign value to name array at the time of its declaration, then writing size of that array is completely optional. We can write it or we can ignore it. Okay, first we are ignoring it. Let's use print function to check. Printf now value of character array name is name. Here we will have to use string format specifier. Now let's save the code. Let's compile the code. Character constant must be one or okay, my mistake. Collection of character must be in double quote. Okay, now let's save this program again, compile the code and execute the code. Here is the output. Value of character array name is TCB. So it's working completely fine. Now what we will do, we will mention size of the array. I am giving size of array 4. Why I am giving 4 size, that we will learn in upcoming sessions. Okay, so do not worry about why I have written size of array 4. We will learn that in upcoming session. Now let's save the code. Let's compile the code. Let's execute the code. So it is proved that if we assign value of character array at the time of declaration only, then it's completely optional to write size of the array or do not write size of the array. Now let's move on. What I am going to do here, I will try to change value of constant name array, okay, which is character array. So name 4 equal to MSB semicolon. Now let's save the code. Let's compile the code. Here I was getting one error message, and that error message is at line number 7 cannot modify a constant object. Simply it is telling that your name character array, which is constant, but you are trying to change its value at line number 7, which we do not allow. So it is proved that once we declare numeric constant or non-numeric constant, its value will not change during execution of program. That's it in this session. Let's meet in another session. Thank you.